Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my natural everyday makeup routine. So first we're going to moisturize the face. I'm using my moisturiser by The Ordinary. Then I'm going to use my LA Girl Brow Powder Kit to fill in my eyebrows. Next I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer to conceal around my eyebrows and carve them out. Taking a damp beauty blender and blending it out. Using the chocolate bar palette, we're going to add some colour to my eyes. First taking that light shade and putting it all over. Next taking salted caramel and applying that to the crease and blending it up. Making sure it's all blended. And then we're going to do the same to the other eye. Next, mixing those two brown shades, I'm going to apply that in the outer corner and blending it into the crease just a little bit. Next, mixing those two shimmer shades and applying them to my lids. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise and coating my lashes. Taking my Nude Mineral Primer and putting that all over the face. same concealer we used before and applying it under my eyes, down my nose, and on my chin and forehead. I'm going back in with the beauty blender to blend it out. Going in with my Bella V Mineral Foundation, using a kabuki brush to buff that all into the face. I'm going to do a little bit of contour using my Wet n Wild contour palette. Add some color to my cheeks using the Milani blush. Now for highlight, I'm going to take French Vanilla by Kylie Cosmetics and use that to highlight the high points of my face. For lipstick, I'm going to take Colourpop's Times Square and apply that all over my lips. Lastly, going in with the NYX matte setting spray to set my face. And that is my finished look. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment below, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.